Hey, thanks for coming by. I am once again, talking about my software. Here I got on the left my famous live shot with my fingers and everything, and my well-worn Galaxy cell phone. Over on the right, of course, I got some meaningless garble unless I get real specific. Anyway, so I don't have anything available as of this video. I'm just making the video to just sort of keep in touch with everybody and just sort of, say what's going on here. Basically, what I want to do is I want to add a whole live data section that sort of meets a lot of the standards. And this is nasty right now, kind of looking. But this is the idea, right, that you would come in like the other software, like just about every other type of scanner. Come in, select your... what you want to view live, whatever it might be. I'm just randomly. I don't think this this is not right. I sort of this is like under construction, right? So it's sort of looks a little bit like the other. First, there's no drive cycle or this stuff. I don't think. I'm keeping these check boxes because I might want to rename them, right? Actually. In a case like this, what am I looking at? This is on my left is the live data page, right, which is this guy right here. And what do I say? So drive cycle or something. So so I can say checkbox 1, and where's the other one, right? And then I can say checkbox 2. Whoops. Well, there's a lot more that goes into it than just renaming things, right? But just so that we know it's... See, this is the sort of... I don't know, I can't spell it. I can't... And of course, now I gotta have it misspelled exactly like the other one. Stuff like this, I'm working on... this is where it gets really tedious, right? Where you can... Like, for example, these boxes are too close together, so I might add a bottom margin, like those two buttons of 5, which doesn't help a damn thing. Right, which actually, like, for example, if those buttons, let me see if I can, see how smart or stupid I am. Margin is so left, top, right, bottom. Alright, well, it shows you how dumb I am. What is the problem? Why is that, is margin already set? Yes, margin is already set. Okay, and I still didn't do anything with the damn buttons. Alright, whatever. So this just shows you like how maddening it gets when I'm trying to do GUI stuff. This is what I do when I'm trying to get these things all... See, all I was doing in a couple of minutes was just trying to separate these two buttons. I couldn't even do that for you on camera. That's how, like, duh. And, like, just I'm looking at this stuff. Like, see how it says select PIDs to view? Really, this should say... That shouldn't say select PIDs to view. Actually, that's in the grid, right? The selection grid. It should say something more like... What is this? This is the... Right, it should say... Can I even find this? Did anybody see where this is? Look how ridiculous I am. I can't even find the most simplest stuff here. See, this is... Oh, man. Are you telling me it's not even in here? It's not even in here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Wants me to... Oh, yeah, there it is. See, I can't even find the words. Wow, dudes. What the hell? Why is this? What is going on here, man? Alright, let me see now. This is the kind of stuff that makes live data grid, live data page. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, I wrote this software and I don't even know what I'm doing. Look how long it took me to just figure that out. So it should actually say select parameters, right? Not parameter IDs, but parameters, right? that kind of thing. So I'm just sharing with you, it's under construction. What you would do is maybe go, maybe I'll change that to live or just keep it to go. But this init button is not going to be there. It's just helping me work. This is not going to work at all. You hit go, and what's supposed to happen is it's going to connect. You can imagine it's supposed to connect, and then you're supposed to get the list of just the things you selected. Of course, you're going to get the list of just the things that you selected here. Come on. Jeez. Like so, if I selected like 2 or 3 things, I don't know, I might start out with a limit on how many you can select just to get this thing to even work at all. It's not working at all right now, so there's nothing to show. It's just, but that's the direction I'm going. This is the kind of situation I'm in. It's interesting. There's a thing, I'm gonna take over the whole page here for a second. This thing in software, it's a concept, it's called test-driven development, right? So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to just scoot on over here to one of my tests, which sounds real boring, right? It's like, oh, Jesus, tests. Why is everything such a freaking hassle? Where is my test explorer? Oh, because I'm running. Okay. Jeez. Oh, I also did another thing. I there was a problem with the VIN. There was 2 different formats that I was getting the VIN in, and I was only honoring one. So I'm hoping like I can pick up a lot more. I know that some people with some older cars with older protocols, which is using this VIN, this. This is a test, right? This really isn't part of my program, but what it's doing is it's testing this specific line of code, which is really a central line of code, which is basically, it's like in all of my commands, pick the one that's to get the VIN, and then grab the function that we use, right? So this is basically what we're doing is we're saying the VIN equals, we went to this dictionary, we got the specific VIN stuff, and then we're grabbing the function, and then we're inputting, actually, this VIN is the actual value. This is the new, this is the raw stuff that we would get from the car. And that's what this stuff is mocking up here. This when I receive the VIN from the car, typically what I'll do is the data will come in just like this. You guys remember, let me move this over here. Let me go to my, right, where is that, where's the gallery stuff, right? Let me go to my screenshots. You might remember I made a video on, look at all these crazy screenshots. I made a video on, this is just screenshots from my Android of my CAN. Alright, these are all using the headers. What I'm looking for, alright, I don't see it. What I'm looking for is this thing here. This is what I was originally using for my cars and what worked on like my girlfriend's Toyotas, but mostly modern cars. This format here I hadn't tested, and a buddy of mine came over and it didn't work on his car, so I had to go back. So the nice thing is I was able to sort of emulate these, and now what I do is I just can come in here and run this function which basically tests both of those. Basically over here is from the last test, but it'll just run the test and verify that I can actually pass both these different types of VIN formats. So this is already incorporated into all the available software. So if you have a piece of software, it's not reading your VIN, and we're not up to, I think the latest one, the version, what's the version here? Hold on, guys. I'm just, what is my version? I think it's 18. No, it might be 19 now. Let me give you a real number. Let me, All right. Even though I don't change the version until I'm ready. 19, right? 19 is out. It won't have this other stuff. This stuff you're looking at right here on my Android is prototype, under construction stuff. I haven't advanced I don't advance the. I should do it right away as soon as I release it, but this is the current version right now, which should have the VIN fix in it. It won't have this live stuff in it, but it should have the VIN fix I was just showing you over here on the right. Because I did this test, I was able to, I couldn't get a hold of any cars, so I ran the test. I verified from a couple sources that this is the format that it comes in. Preceded by 6 0. It's just crazy with the other four. All the formats are crazy, right? And then I started doing this other test, which is, if you remember. I don't know. You might not remember, but from another here. Let's see over here on the right. Geez, where's my? I don't know what I'm grabbing here. Okay, so let's get out of here again. Right. Let's go back to these images. There. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, let me go. Hang on. I'm sorry, guys. Here, you're in the screen here. Right, 0100, right? This is basically saying for really standard service mode, 0100 is saying, give me all your supported PIDs. The values here, right? This is a screenshot we're looking at over here. But the value here in green at the bottom is what you'll get back from the car, right? So what I've done over here, now I'm returning back to the test stuff, is for my PID parsing, I created, right, these numbers, just like what you just saw over here, except the FFs just mean that I support every single feature, right? For every bit, F means every bit is high. So here it's like, for zeros, there's like everywhere you see a zero here, you'll see that represents 4 bits, that four PIDs that are not supported. Let's see here. Let's see. So if I run this test here, what it shows you is all of the PIDs that I so far, like basically this F here. It's saying that the car. This is mocking a car with an ECU at 78 that supports every single possible PID in the car, and you'll notice there's 0, there's 20. These are all different levels of PID support, 40, and the FF is just saying I would support them all. So then what I have over here in my test is a list of really just the PIDs that I've worked on so far that I have ready, which is woefully lacking in all of the PIDs that are available. So I have plenty of work to do. So I stopped creating more of these PIDs over here. Like, I stopped creating these, and now I just want to get this whole system working, right? Even if I only had like 3 of these working, if I had my software, where the live data was working, and we were getting, and that we were selecting and getting the PIDs that we were selecting, and let's say I only had 5, at least I have a principle that I can run with. So I'm making this video while I'm in the middle of that, right? I haven't gotten to the point where I have, what do you think, like a circle. I haven't completely drawn the circle from going into this live data to, come on, to selecting, some PIDs, to saying go, and then, showing the screen with a response, a live response, kind of like the IM monitors on that other page. It's just kind of live, constantly updating. I think that would be a really nice thing. I know I am so far from getting bi-directional, quote unquote, with this stuff, but it's just so much fundamental work that needs to be done before this thing is even not a laughable application. So yeah, so I just wanted to share with you that's where I'm heading. I don't have this live data ready for you. I'm sorry, but I did improve on the VIN And I just wanted to keep in touch with everybody who might be interested on what's going on with the software. I'll put a link down to the Google Play Store link, and there it is, man. So again, I appreciate anybody who's come by, and if you made it all the way out to the end of this video, wow, man, thank you. It's a rainy Tuesday here in New Jersey. Not much to do. It's a perfect day to sit around and write some software and drink some coffee. So I'm just going to continue with this, and I will let you know when I have this ready, because I think it's going to be a pretty cool feature. But it's taking me a while. It takes a lot of thought and design and mental energy to make it happen properly. But I think, there's nothing I see that's going to stop me from making this work. So, except time. So there it is. Again, thanks for coming by, and have a great day. And I'll see you next time.